1 cup before bed to burn belly fat overnight. I really wanted to do a review of this tea. Out of all the miracle drinks on the market today, this tea is a winner, and here is why. What if there was a simple and enjoyable trick you could do every night before bed that sets you up to shrink your belly while you sleep? Would you be willing to give it a try? I think we could all use something to help us sleep soundly during these uncertain times. Especially since every night, your body will become primed to naturally melt away extra belly fat while you rest. Discover the simple and delicious trick below. The reason why this works so fast to burn your belly fat is because of new sleep science linked to your fat burning metabolism. New research is showing how to take advantage of the critical time before bed to shrink your belly all night long while you sleep. According to a recent study from researchers at Boston University, your body uses a specific phase of deep and dreamless sleep to wash your brain of toxins. By monitoring sleeping patients, scientists were able to show that during deep sleep, waves of special fluid surge through the neurons of the brain and purge toxic chemical byproducts. This means better concentration, more focus, higher energy, and of course prevention of scary diseases like Alzheimer's. Truth is, getting better sleep is probably the #1 thing you can do for your health. And we now know that the same phase of deep sleep that washes your brain also shrinks your belly fat. If you are not yet enjoying this new, comforting and delicious hot beverage before bed, you are missing out on an opportunity to shed pounds of belly fat while you sleep. Discover the easy recipe you can make right in your own kitchen. Usually, shortcuts are too good to be true, especially when it comes to reducing your belly. However, a shortcut has been found that is backed by science and is already working for thousands of people. Plus, it's as easy as making yourself a really delicious and comforting warm beverage before you go to bed. You will make 1 cup of this tea before heading off to bed. The reason why this bedtime brew works so well is because it helps you get more of a specific type of deep sleep that is now proven to force your body to burn fat fast. So in my opinion, this drink will aid with a good night's sleep and with weight loss. This is a great alternative if you don't enjoy taking supplements or pills, and just want to replace your usual bedtime drink with this cup of tea that has these kind of benefits. If you would like to see improvements in these 2 areas in your life, please click on the link below to try it for yourself. Please like and subscribe below for future informative videos, and remember to share your feedback in the comments after your experience with this. Helping women get real results with weight loss, fitness, health and well-being is the purpose of this channel.